Hello friends, recently I have designed RC Antonov 32 on Fusion 360 and also made, but for some reasons it could not success, so I decided to make it again by Debron sheet using hot wire cutter. The pre-designed aircraft copied in new file, so we'll make reference sketches. The sketches will be exported in DXF format for easily nesting. Here my copied file, I opened some sketches and cross section of fuselage under the wing, and for an example we will take this cross section, go to sketch and export DXF. Here I will take a millimeter for my easiness and OK. I given the name cross section of fuselage under the wing. Choose the file location and save it. Top view of fuselage, and here front view of vertical and horizontal stabilizer. Here is side view of vertical stabilizer, and these are airfoil of our wing frame. This is top view of horizontal stabilizer, and this is front view of our engine and wing frame. This is top view of wing frame and engine, side view of main fuselage. You can see all the sketches combinedly. This is top view of horizontal and vertical stabilizer, and this is a airfoil of vertical stabilizer near the fuselage. Now for nesting, I am using nest cut nesting. It is free for some projects. And now opening. You have to make an account. For that I already have, so I am using by my credentials. This is the interface, and upload the DXF parts. I am selecting all which I need. Now I selected all the parts and open it. Here all the parts imported. Go on set quantities. It is showing a warning for intersecting counters, so check and delete them if not in use, and all are okay. Now go on seat and nesting settings, add seat, add the required dimensions, and here are three options: fast, balance and quality. So I am using quality, and use the file type. I am using DXF only, and start optimization. It will say take about 300 seconds. I skipped, and here our sheet. I am generating PDF because I don't have laser cutter, so I will use the PDF sheet. Here this is like a report where all the data of our DXF parts. Now I taken a screenshot, and by using image previewer, copy it and take it in Microsoft Excel. Here I will open Microsoft Excel, given the name multiple A4 nesting sheets. Copy here. In Microsoft Excel there is an option for size and properties. So So use the size of height and width which we have used in our DXF sheet. Select landscape orientation with narrow margin and save it as a PDF file. Given the name, okay, it is our PDF sheet. By these all the papers we can make a chart combinedly. So I printed all the pages. Here our printed papers, so I will stick them together. I made this chart by using all the papers. Now we have the reference for our airplane parts. Further hot wire cutting process in next video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.